everybody, it's the Von Hudsons and we're on another road trip. This time we're in Nashville, Tennessee. And as you can see behind me, we're visiting the Parthenon. Now I know what you're thinking, isn't the Parthenon in Greece? Normally you would be correct. This is the only full-scale model of the Parthenon from Athens in the world.
In this new Parthenon, there's a 45-foot tall statue of Athena. The reason why it's in there is because Athena was
The patron,
I don't know, leader of
the patron goddess, yes, of the Athenians. What does her statue have on it?
Well, it has a snake for the Athenians, a shield.
A shield. The shield is kind of next to the serpent, right?
Yeah, to shield it because the snake represents the Athenians, so she's shielding them.
Because she, protected them. Yeah.
And in her hand is Nike, the goddess of victory. The reason it's in her hand is because it's putting this weave headband or whatever on her head.
Cool. All right, well, that sounds like a pretty neat thing to be able to do, is to put one of the ancient wonders of the world in your city. I know that if I could do it, I'd put the Colossus of Rhodes right over the Three Rivers in Pittsburgh. I think that would be a pretty cool addition. But we're going to keep going around Nashville today and seeing what else we can find.
Yep.
Yeah.